In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix any issues like bugs and glitches in your Play Store application. So in order to fix these issues, the most common and prominent method is to simply clear out the cache or restart the application session. So let's see how to do this. So for that, you need to hold on to the application icon and then click on App Info. Then inside the settings, you need to navigate to the storage usage, and from here simply click on the clear cache option, and this will clear out all the temporary memory that the application is holding. Then to restart the session, simply click on the force stop button from here and then try to restart the application and check whether the issue is resolved or not. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.